have some? Thanks.
Hey, blood, let me get a hit.
Do you want some?
Will this be bad for my health? How can substance abuse harm my body?
Before smoking, you have to think of your respiratory system, which includes several organs such as the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and their several branches, and the lungs. Gas exchange happens in the alveoli, which is in the lungs. Because gas exchange only happens in the alveoli, other respiratory system structures are just conducting passageways for airflow to the lungs.
When smoking, smokers have a higher risk of pancreatic cancer. In the pancreas, it produces enzymes that break down digestible food. With pancreatic cancer, it impairs the pancreas' ability to produce insulin. Smoking also damages the alveoli, which are air sacs where gas exchange occurs, such as absorbing oxygen. Lungs also have sticky mucus and cilia, which are protectants in lungs that protect from chemical and biological irritants. Smoke overwhelms them and makes these cleansing devices dysfunctional. Smoking also depresses the activity of lung macrophages that are sometimes called dust cells that wander in and out of the alveoli, picking up bacteria, carbon particles, and other debris. However, tobacco can cause many oral problems which can lead to tooth decay and tooth loss. The skeletal system provides support for the body and bones that provide structures for movement. However, substance abuse can lead to bone infections, which destroy bones from the inside out. Osteomyelitis is associated with the use of dirty needles and contaminated drugs such as heroin and methamphetamine. Why do drugs when you can exercise? Muscles have 3 types of tissue: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. When lifting weights, skeletal muscle is used in the brachialis when contracting, and this movement is flexion. Bone movement is done by the insertion, which is attached to the movable bone, and when the muscle, brachialis, contracts, the insertion performs flexion.
When exercising, you can't forget that the skeletal system helps you as well. Bones allow movement and support for the body. Bone is an active and dynamic tissue due to the calcium levels in the blood. 21, 22, 23. The skeletal system helps your body with the movement and protects internal organs. So think of it as this: you can't move without your bones. Haven't you ever wondered? Skin is the largest organ of the body, and it's 7% of your body's weight, and it covers 21 feet. Its main function is to protect the body from damage, but has 3 layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. However, smoking can damage your skin. Don't do drugs, kids. Oh no! There's so much! Am I gonna lose all my blood? Because blood is vital for transporting substances through your body.
Don't worry, because when blood is lost, blood vessels constrict. However, blood ratio is stepped up in order to keep circulation. The body can compensate for blood loss, only up to 15-30%. Until then, your body becomes weak, pallor, stuff like that.
I guess I fainted from seeing so much blood. And the doctor bandaged my leg up and gave me all this food. But the doctors did say something about a blood transfusion if I lost enough blood.
Blood transfusions can be tricky though. You do have to have a blood type that is compatible with yours.
What blood types are there?
There's type A, B, AB, and O. A is a universal recipient and O is a universal donor.
Hey, did you know the nervous system is the master controlling and communicating system of the body? Every thought, action, and emotion reflects its activity. Its signaling device, or means of communication, are electrical impulses, which are rapid and specific and cause almost immediate responses. So when you want to move your arm, you're telling your central nervous system to do it for you without really thinking about it, but your brain does it for you.
But what are carrying these impulses?
Nerves are carrying these impulses.
But where are these nerves in the body?
It's in the part of the central nervous system called the peripheral nervous system, which is outside of the CNS. This extends from the brain to the spinal cord. Spinal nerves carry signals from the brain to the spinal cord. Cranial nerves carry impulses to and from the brain. These nerves serve as communication lines.
Did you know, along with the nervous system, it coordinates and directs the activity of the body cells? However, the nervous system is all about speed. The more slowly acting endocrine system, using chemical messengers called hormones. Hormones are chemical substances that are secreted by endocrine cells into the extracellular fluids and regulate them. Metabolic activity in other body cells. The main processes that they control is reproduction, growth, and development. There are lots and lots of different kinds of hormones. Nearly all of them are chemically classified as either amino acid-based molecules or steroids. And to think I only know that at 8 years old. I wonder how you get all the waste out of your body.
The excretory system that excretes waste from your body. It regulates hydration, removes waste such as sugar or salt. It includes also the intestines from the digestive system, which are about 27 feet long if you pull them in a straight line. And also what also includes excretory system are the lungs, which dispel carbon dioxide.
Can you say that in English, please?
Basically, when you go to the restroom, that's all in all. Yeah. Okay, you're eating some grapes? Isn't it crazy to think it's a whole system just for digesting your food? Well, called the digestive system. But the organs in the digestive system form two different groups: alimentary canal and the accessory digestive organs. The alimentary canal performs the whole menu of digestive functions: ingest, digest, absorbs. Accessory organs involve the teeth, tongue, and several large digestive glands.
What are the parts of the digestive system?
Well, it starts in the mouth. There's the tongue, pharynx, and esophagus, like right here, where your throat is. Then the liver, pancreas, spleen, and gallbladder.
Just say, can I have some? I'll give it to you. And then you turn around and look that way and go, pull some of the grass out. All right, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Do you have this in?
I do.
All right.
Wait, my form is terrible. It's all worth it though, because I'm gonna get some serious muscles.
Look
from
serious though.
10-pound weights.
Green endocrine, endocrine.
He's not kidding.
This is what drugs does to you. Go. Tori, honestly, you need to stay here for like 30
She already got
Get it together.
Get it, yeah, okay, go.
Hey, Glow, let me get a hit.
Wait, Miranda, do something. Start dancing with them. Oh yeah.
We have to get